with going over your homework. So let's see what we've got today. All right, great job, Minquan. Very good, Teddy. Thank you for working so hard on that, Teddy. Excellent work. Nancy, I'm guessing that this is Dami. I see Dami at the end of that word. Mooney, very good. Sal, Kaki, Simon, Ocean, Adam. Everyone's getting so much better. Let's go through the questions. Everyone can say the answer out loud together. Animals blank to survive in an environment. Good, very good. So this was the same question from the quiz the day before. Look how much better everybody did. Good job. Okay. So polar bears are white and have big, fat bodies. What can this tell you about a polar bear's habitat? Almost everybody put B. Teddy, what does B say? Good, very good. Thank you, Teddy. Number 3, what do animals use non-living things for? This is also a repeat question. I see some people answering in the chat as well. Can someone tell me what animals use non-living things for? Nuna, go ahead.
Shelter, water, to breathe.
Very good. What non-living thing do they use to breathe?
Air.
Air. Very good. Thank you, thank you. And I see the correct answers on the messenger from Dami, from Kitty. Very good. Number 4, choose all the correct answers. The adaptations this lizard has to survive in its environment include A, spikes, B, camouflage. How do you know that these are the 2 answers? I think this is Kui.
Camouflage because they have the same color of the ground. I don't know what they have.
That's okay. Excellent job. Great job, Kui. You're right. We know they use camouflage because it has the same color as its environment. And we know it has spikes because we can see them in the picture, right? Spikes make it so that predators don't want to eat them. Very painful to eat. Very painful. Okay, let's look at the next one. This picture shows giraffes in a grassland. How have they adapted to survive here? Everyone type the answer. Ocean, can you read the answer out loud, please?
They have learned to reach top of the baobab tree.
Excellent. That's great. Thank you so much, Ocean. Number 5, a blank is a small freshwater environment. Let's say it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. A pond is a small freshwater environment. A blank is cold and snowy. 1, 2, 3. Good. A tundra is cold and snowy. A frog has webbed feet and long legs for jumping. What can this tell you about its environment? Taki says pond. Exactly, yeah. If they have webbed feet and long legs for jumping, what can this tell you about its environment? Adam?
It can tell you that its environment has that it lives in a pond. It is fresh water. It has lily pads, and it has a lot of life.
Excellent. Great answer, Adam. Thank you so much. Good job on the homework. Everyone, make sure that you do the practice quiz. And Very good job, though, to everyone who did it, and thank you, everyone who answered questions. Let's go over the other part of your homework. Everyone hold up your drawings. I saw already Ocean put his on the Google Drive, so did Min Huang, Kaki, and Dami. I'm not sure who the other one is, but it actually looks very colorful. I should open it. I'm not sure whose this is, but excellent job. So thank you to everyone who put it there. Let's have everyone hold your homework up and raise your hand if you would like to share it with the class. Would anyone like to share their homework with the class? Dami, could you share your homework? Do you show us the picture and describe its adaptations from last night?
It is a beaver. Beavers are well adapted for semi-aquatic life with thick waterproof fur, a flat tail that acts as a rudder, and closable nostrils and ears, as well as a transparent eye membrane. A dog beaver has a kid. The kid grows into a yearling. Then the yearling grows into a juvenile. Then the juvenile grows to a adult. Bye. Bye.
Very good. Excellent job, Dami. That was amazing. I saw some of you, Simon, Teddy, Mia, you guys did the clapping option. Very nice. Very nice. There's a little clapping button at the bottom. Very good, Dami. Let's have one more person share their drawing and their animals' adaptations. All right, go ahead, Adam.
Mine's a forest. This is a deer. These are some fish. This is a snail. This is a skunk, and this is a bird.
Very nice. Can you pick one animal and tell us its adaptations?
Oh, a deer. A female deer does not have horns. A male deer has horns. The male one has its horns to protect its family, and it adapts by hunting. It eats leaves and also protects and also defends with its horn.
Very good. That's perfect. Thank you, Adam. All right, everyone, really, really good job on your homework. I'm super impressed. Okay, how many layers are there in the rainforest? Everyone message in the group chat, how many layers are there in the rainforest? Nancy has answered me privately. Thank you, Nancy. I'll announce Nancy's answer once I see some more. All right, Nancy says 3. Kiwi, Bo, Dami, Nuna, Simon, Vicky, Jenny, Kaki, you guys all agree with 3. Excellent job. You guys have such good memories. Here they are right here. Can someone please read the 3 layers out loud for me? Hannah and Emma, make sure you guys say your names, but could you read the 3 out loud for me?
Canopy layer, understory layer, forest floor.
Very good. Thank you, guys. So what is this layer called? You can chat it, and I will call on someone. What is this layer called? Ruby, I saw your hand for a second. What is this layer called?
A canopy layer.
Very good. Thank you so much. This is the canopy layer. Can someone describe what happens in the canopy layer? What is the environment like? Is there rain? Is there sun? Is there shade? Is there wind? Is it dry? Simon, go ahead.
It has sunlight.
Excellent. It has sunlight. Very good. Anyone else have anything to add? Kwanhai, what's the canopy layer like?
Canopy layer like the tall trees. It has There are a lot of tall trees and birds live in there.
Excellent, thank you. So we have sunlight, tall trees, yes.
No.
Fred, do you have anything else to add?
Sun up high.
Say it one more time.
High up.
High up, yes, exactly, excellent. Very good. Lots of sunlight, flowers and fruit. Many animals live there, just like Kong Hai said. Thank you, guys. Here are some of the animals that live there: the sloth, the harpy eagle, a toucan. Does anyone know what this fourth animal is down here in the right corner? What's this fourth animal? What's the fourth animal, Jenny? Oh, there we go. Jenny, what's the fourth animal?
The fourth animal is sloth.
Nope, this one's the sloth. We said sloth, harpy eagle, and toucan. What's the fourth animal in the bottom right corner?
Monkey.
Monkey. Excellent. Who knows what kind of monkey? This is one we learned in class. All right, Nancy, what kind of monkey is that?
I think it's tamarin or what?
Yes. Very good. Thank you, Nancy. It's a tamarin. What is this layer called? I see a snake. I see a tree frog. I see a butterfly. What is this layer called? Mia, what is this layer called?
Understory.
Excellent.
Đây là cái lớp gì đó hả?
Thank
Đúng
you,
rồi, đây là lớp
Mia.
understory.
Understory.
Yes, very good. Thank you. It's the understory. And let's take a look here. The understory is shady. Plants need only a little bit of sunlight. So, and birds, small animals, and reptiles live here. Very good. What layer is this? The last one, let's say it on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Forest floor. The forest floor.
Yes, I love to hear all of these answers. The forest floor. What is the forest floor like? Sal?
I don't know.
Is it dry, wet, sunny, shady? Are there lots of trees? Are there lots of bugs?
Wet.
Wet. Good.
Wet.
Is it sunny or shady? Let's have Chi.
Shady.
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 Good. Thank you. Chi, do you have anything to add?
No.
No? That's okay. Sal gave us the answer. Very good. Leaves, fallen fruits, and animals that eat insects live here. Does anyone know an animal that eats insects that lives on the forest floor? Let's see. Lehan, go ahead.
The animal eat insect is an eater.
Oh, excellent. An anteater eats insects. Thank you. Okay, here we have an anteater. We have a jaguar. It's big, big cat that lives in the jungle, in the rainforest. Okay, I will quickly draw on here, and I want you guys to tell me a plant or animal that lives in this section, 2 characteristics about the animal, and 1 adaptation that it has. Here I have a tree. Let's see if I can draw a tree. Could be a little scary. All right, don't make fun of how bad my tree is, everybody. I tried my best. Okay, there we go. So here are my 3 layers, right? 1 and 2, 3. Can someone tell me the top layer again? What is the top layer? Let's see, Vicky, what is the very top layer?
A canopy.
Good job. Let's write that here. Okay, what is the middle layer? Nuna, what's the middle layer?
Understory.
Good. And the bottom layer, Khaki, go ahead.
Chorus frog.
Excellent job. Also, I like your name, Khaki. Okay. So, who can give me an animal that lives in the canopy? 2 of its characteristics and 1 adaptation. Go ahead, Emma and Hannah.
The tamarine.
All right.
Okay. Its fur is yellow.
Good. And what's an adaptation that it has that lets it live in the canopy?
It's trying to take some food.
Good. It has long arms and fingers to climb. Very good job. Thank you so much. Can someone give me an animal from the understory or the forest floor? Mooney, go ahead.
A frog.
Say that again.
A frog.
A frog. Where does a frog live?
In the tree.
In the tree, in the canopy.
Story.
Oh, there we go. And what is an adaptation that it has?
It has a sticky face.
Excellent job, sticky feet, so it can stick on the tree. Great work, everybody.
And skin.
Yeah, very good. So we went over this one. We said the tamarin has long arms and fingers. You guys picked the same ones I did. A frog has sticky feet. Can someone tell me how an anteater has adapted to live on the forest floor? What's an adaptation of an anteater? Let's call on someone not raising their hand. Oh, now everyone's raising their hand because you don't want to be called on. Katie, do you know how an anteater's adapted? Katie.
It has the same color to the ground, so it can blend to escape of the predators.
Very good. The same color, so it blends in with the ground to escape predators. Great answer. This one's easy, right? They have claws and teeth to eat predators. They're nice and big. Okay, we're running out of time, so let's do this quick matching game. So, match the animal to the adaptation, and then the adaptation to what it's used for. So an anteater has the adaptation of a long mouth and tongue. It uses its long mouth and tongue to eat ants. All right, everyone get ready to annotate. Go. Good, I see the jaguar going right. Yes, these are very good. Thank you guys for being good with the annotating. Yes, there we go. So, can someone please tell me very quickly the path for a jaguar? What is a jaguar? Nancy, what is jaguar?
Sharp teeth.
Good, and what is that for?
For eating mammals.
Excellent job. Nancy, can you also tell me tree frog?
Yeah, tree frog. Sticky feet.
For
Sticking on the trees and leaves.
excellent job. And can Teddy give me the 2 answers for sloth?
Sloth has long fingers
Yes. What for?
for climbing trees and catch
Yeah, for
and reaching high fruit.
Yeah, excellent job for climbing trees and reaching high up food. And the last one, Nuna, can you give me the answer for turtle?
What?
What's the answer for turtles, Nuna?
Brown shell.
What's the answer for turtle?
Brown shell.
Good. What is that for?
For give them a place to give them home.
Yeah, so that is one thing that it's for. Thank you, Nuna. It's for giving them a place to live, for a home, but it's also for what else? Dami, what is the turtle shell for? Yeah, what's
Camouflage of forest floor.
Oh, there we go. Thank you, Dami. Camouflage on the forest floor. All right, we have less than a minute, so let's be fast. Here's the code for your practice quiz. Make sure you all do it. Your other homework is you have an adaptations worksheet. It will be emailed to you. So fill out the worksheet. Take a picture of it and put it in the homework folder Miss Summer emails you. So this goes in your homework folder, and your homework from last night goes in your homework folder. All right, everybody, I will see you tomorrow.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye-bye, teacher.